Okay, my dear students, how can you solve this problem if you don't know the formula for to find out the what is the minimum force required to apply on the block to draw the block when there is a friction? What we have to do when you forget the formula? Use your lateral thinking method, use your basic concept to do the problem, or go for a different approach. Let me show you how can you use your brain at difficult situations when you don't know the correct formula, when you forget everything. Now just see here, if you see this problem, he's asking us to find out the minimum force. It is given in the problem that you have to find out the minimum force. Then what is the best method to find out the minimum force? You just see here, he's asking us to find out the minimum force. For that, the simple trick what I am going to say is, to find out the minimum force, let us consider mu is equal to 1. Okay, so if mu is equal to 1, what is the first formula explaining here? Okay, so first formula says that 1 by square root of 1 plus 1 into mg, which is nothing but mg by root 2. Okay, so what is b explaining? Let us see. Now b means if you take mu is equal to 1, it is going to be 0, because 1 minus mu is 1 minus 1. This is going to be 0, so second is not possible. Okay, third option, if you consider 1 by 1 minus 1 square, it is also going to be infinity, because 1 by 0, something by 0 is going to be infinity, so this is also going to be 0 here. Okay, and he's asking us to find out mu. Let us take mu is equal to 1 in the fourth case, so 1 into mg. So this is possible, but he's asking us to find out the minimum force. Mg is maximum, whereas mg by root 2 is minimum. So without knowing a concept, without knowing the formula, you have done the problem just by taking mu is equal to 1 in a different approach. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
चिट्ठी उठाई जा रही है उसमें, या बिस्मिल्लाह, चिट्ठी उठाई जा रही है वहाँ पे। अनवर अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।